Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Spell Brigade game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up this Steam website. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on that login option. And guys, once you click on that, now here if you have an account, then just sign into your account, and if you don't have, then just create an account. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the store option you are seeing on the top. And once you click on the store option, now here just click on the search option you are seeing here, and then just type the Spell Brigade, and this game will appear on the top. So just click on this game, and here just scroll down and you will see the option of the add to cart. So if you want to download the demo version of this game, so you can also download the demo version, but if you want to buy the original game, then just click on the option of add to cart, and then click on the option of view my cart you are seeing here. And guys, here just simply click on the continue to payment option, and here just sign into your account and then pay the amount, and then you will see the option of install Steam on the top. Just click on the install Steam option, and here just download the Steam and install it onto your PC. After that, just open up the Steam and go to your Steam library, and once you buy the game, now the game was added to your Steam library. On the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Spell Brigade. Just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.